This tutorial is to explain the different start screen options and how to make the selection in the easyTone app. The easyTone can operate as a single subject entry screen where each subject is created before the test is performed and no saving of results occurs in the easyTone app. Or it can be set up to allow loading a subject list, and results can be stored temporarily within the easyTone app. This method is recommended when performing any type of mass screenings. Choose the start screen that meets your screening needs. To choose the start screen, select the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Select Settings and then Basic. Here, screening mode is listed to make the single subject or screening list selection. To exit this setting screen, select the back button. To help you choose the start screen option, each mode of operation will be reviewed. When using the single screening mode, enter in the subject information in the fields provided. Tapping in any field will display the keyboard for entry. At least one field must be entered to begin testing. Select Start Test to move to the test screen. Perform the hearing screening, and when completed, the easyTone app will transition to the results screen. Test results must be managed from this screen as no results are saved within the easyTone app. Managing results includes sharing the result document through email or any other application installed on the tablet, like Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. Printing can also occur if you have already completed the setup of a Bluetooth or wireless printer within the Android settings. To exit the results screen, select Done. This will return you to the start screen for the next subject to be entered and tested. Screening list mode allows importing and exporting of subject information, but also requires the use of the easyTone companion software. Once the subject list is loaded, select the subject by tapping on their name. Perform the hearing screening, and when completed, the easyTone app will transition to the results screen. Test results can immediately be managed from the screen by sharing or printing, but also are saved within the subject list. Select Done, and the easyTone app will return to the start screen with the result stored for that subject. With either start screen option, Quick Start is available. This button immediately moves to the test screen with no subject information entered. Upon completion of the test, subject information can be entered for including on the result printout or saving the subject and result to the screening list when using the screening list mode. This completes this tutorial on start screen options. Please continue through the tutorial series for additional easyTone instruction.